tighten and sagging boobs, you're going to be making use of yogurt, guys. Now you have to use this yogurt. The raw yogurt is what you're going to be needing for this for you to achieve your goal, you know, of tightening your sagging boobs. Okay, now yogurt is loaded with vitamin E, and it also contains a natural remedy that firm up the skin. Using yogurt on the skin would help you to reverse the dullness, dryness, and age-related problems, and it will also help you glow. Yogurt is a natural skin firmer, so it's going to help you to firm up your boobs. And then we're going to be making use of carrots. Now carrots is essential for the skin because it contains a natural remedy that helps to tighten up the skin, it firm up the loose and saggy boobs, and it also help your skin glow. So it's going to help you in repairing your damaged skin, your saggy skin, and it's going to help you to increase the elasticity of your skin. And then you're going to be making use of egg, and in this you're going to be making use of the egg white. Now egg white is a skin tightener. It helps to tighten up a large and open pores, it tightens up a saggy skin, and it also firm up your boobs. Mixing egg white with all other natural remedy would effectively help you to tighten up your boobs. Okay, and then you're going to be making use of carrot oil. Now you can make use of carrot juice and carrot oil in the same ingredients or treatment, and it's going to be very effective because it helps so much in tightening up the skin, and it also helps to leave you looking glowing. It renew your age, and it also firm up a saggy skin. So it's gonna firm up your saggy boobs. So you're going to be needing about 2 tablespoons of the yogurt. So I'm going to be taking 4 scoops of this.